after all, it is free.
Whoa.
We're gonna go?
There's an Uber driver too. That was an Uber driver. Yeah, it's like, why even stop anymore?
Yeah, might as well go.
Here, let's go to the mountains that are behind the house.
And so I think in some way you should take comfort in the fact that nobody really knows where your life is going to go. Wherever you are in 5 years, most likely you're going to never have seen it coming. You're never going to have expected it.
Solid steel ones. Some guys use aluminum ones because they're lighter, but I feel safer with the steel ones. Then before you jack the car up, pull on the emergency brake so it doesn't roll, and up she goes. Don't clean your cup. Quite a few customers do thousands of dollars of damage to the sensitive cup, so just leave it. It doesn't hurt anything.
We got a speeding bullet here.
Whoa!
Holy shit.
Woo! Oh my god! I was like, oh my god, I was ready. I was like,
What the heck was that? Jesus. I'll put you on my video. Cut in front of a fucking truck, go for it.
oh my god, is he brake checking? Oh, he's trying to exit. What's ahead of him? So they brake check the truck.
Yeah.
Just to exit. Why are you in the left lane and you're trying to like ultra detour?
Yeah, there's traffic right for the exit.
Yeah.
So we're gonna eat and try to get their traffic to relief. And relax. Wow.
Nice.
Got that one.
Well, I guess maybe this is why there's so much traffic here.
Yeah.
Fantastic. All right, well, we have some bread for you. What do you think?
Yeah. Got you on camera, bitch! Wow. Not even gonna hide it. Okay, what is this guy doing?
What the fuck are you doing?
Gotta save that one. That was not a two-turn lane.
Retweeted it. Logan Paul got so fucked, Pornhub got involved. Logan then responded, "No thanks, I've grown and I've learned that the filming of a suicide victim is both heartless and insensitive. But not gonna lie, this single tweet is funnier than your entire Netflix special." Which the way
What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, no, not the beast! Not the beast! Ah! I'm in my house!